Amalize ama ashuke? Mmesema ashuke? Daktari shuka. Kwa hivyo.
In the name of Jesus. Haya, sawa, tunyamaze tusikize. On behalf of the county government of Uasin Gishu, I am here as the Chief Officer of Health. My name is Dr. Paul Wangwe Ongeti. First of all, I'd like to be grateful to you for having peaceful picketing. Such kind of engagement is also encouraged, and I am sure we have had, as a county government, we have had discussions with the union. We have had several meetings with the County Public Service Board. Your union can attest that the salient issue of promotions is being looked into. We have so, unless, allow me to finish. The role we have as a county government is the welfare of doctors, as stipulated in the Guzo Kumi. The welfare of doctors, as I have seen in the document that I have received. These are things that are under implementation. For example,
so you never know that doctors graduate.
We have an issue here of stoppage of procedural disciplinary procedures. We have discussed with your leadership, and that has been sorted, and it's a thing of the past. The issue of your promotion, the money has been allocated and it will be ring-fenced. Then the issue of CBA implementation. This is a matter that we have made a lot of headway with your union. Kindly receive the brief from your union on the headway we have made so far as a county government. We as a government